we're reviewing a rare bike light. For dusk to dawn, dawn to dusk. Put on your bicycle. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Thank you for joining. Please rate, subscribe, like. We got the Insta360 X5. I need to do a little demonstration, as you saw at the beginning of the video. I'm not sure the way I want to go, how I want to do it, but I'm going to share the way I do things. Did I miss the sunrise? I think I did. It's almost like the golden hour now. Did you know the operating temperature of a camera is like 40 to 110 degrees? And we are peaked out at 110 degrees yesterday. The fill factor, not a good day to be out. So that's why I'm getting in my wee hour ride before the heat comes up again. I was gonna look again at a kayak inflatable. I like my paddleboard, but I probably like a kayak a little bit more. Put a boost motor on there, paddle away when you come back. This way, when you go, you paddle where you need to go at. And I'm checking it out. That's all I'm saying. Well, we're where we need to be at. Go grab a shot, set up, do that review. Gentleman I passed got a camera. From the company, Dark Beam. It's a tail light that you place on your post. Tail lights come in many shapes and sizes, makes and models. The light on. It's in the back. It's on a breathing mode. As you can see what the light looks like as you ride during the daytime. The light on. It's in the back. It's on a breathing mode. I just finished up my review and yeah, I got my selfie stick in. I can't hold it out there that long. Camera's heavy and I got like a 6-foot plus pole. And don't expect it to work the way you want it to work all the way out there. Now here I am, I'm on Instaframe now. Always facing me with the optional standard 5.7 or 5.7 plus file that I could edit and choose where I want to look at. Well, heading back in, this is low level shot where I did it at. And I did it over there, that side, riding around. So, let's get riding. Let me put you on top, over the shoulder, like so. Get you the shot you need and ride along. Let's get to my highlight spot. Yip and yap. Well, the sun's in your eyes, it's in my eyes. The 3 seagulls are flying. The plane is up ahead, and I got the DJI Mic 2. I didn't take with me my Insta360 mic Air. I got it for this reason, so I could use a remote. I like the DJI Mic 2 the best. On. Does a nice job. You're going to see me holding a selfie stick. I don't care. Mix up my video. DJI Osmo Action 5 on the front. Insta360 X5 on the pole. How can I show you the X5 on the pole? Grab that camera, point it at you. Have I been riding around without hitting the word go? I guess I've been that way. Now they can see me. Well, I could close down my phone. That's what the application looks like. And that's what a Insta360 and a selfie stick I got look like. This is the stick I use. It's metal all around. It opens up almost 6 feet. I'm 6 feet tall, 70 inches. And I'm ready to get on out of here, put it on the front of my bike, and get on going. Well, let's take you along. Get on out. All right, so I'm filming. You got it. 2 cameras at the same time. I can make what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could keep on counting. Multiple camera angles with just the X5. I got to take my time and do it with the Action 5 Pro. But you got to do a lot of legwork, a lot of homework, a lot of editing work in order to get it to happen. You just can't put the X5 there and choose your 5 areas of interest and go. You got to edit. So yeah, a little faster work indeed. Now, you see how fast I'm going over here? 7 miles per hour. I think that's mighty fine. We got a scooter up ahead. So, yeah, let's get on going. Finish up our vlog. So as we head on back, the sun not in my eyes. The sun's not in your eyes. I'm using a DJI mic with the Action 5 Pro. And yeah, the X5, you're gonna hear whatever sounds you hear. It may not be loud to the camera, because I'm not yelling to the camera. I'm not in the tunnel of yelling. But you get the idea. Well, it's time for me to put away the Insta360 X5. It is. I'm just about had it, just about wrapping it up. Let's get on going. Oh, we got a car in the way. I got trees in the way. Let's get on going. He needs to get into the spot. They all park over here. That's where they park. Well, let's put you away. Bring you out for another day. The X5 did its job for today. I'm stopping. I just want to give you an idea about the Mazda CX-5. Look at the back of the car. Compare it to the Honda HR-V. It's identical in every single way. Almost. Somebody's got to nitpick. It's not. The CX-5 compared to the HR-V. Which one would you prefer and why? You're going to post down below in a lifetime in 2025 and let me know. Well, you could pick up a scooter, recycles, and more. That scooter's still here. Somebody took the chair instead. And that reminds me to get the editing done. I said a lot, did a lot, shit a lot, shoot some. It's time for me to pack this all up, get on going, get to where I need to be at, go meet up with Joe, and take care of the beeswax, and get those things back up and running again. Well, maybe I'll see you on the next vlog, the next talk, the next show. I'm out of here.